Hello, students. Good morning to everyone. It is the maths online classes for standard 7. Chapter's name is the decimals. It is the part 6. Here we shall learn about multiplication of decimals. In day-to-day life, we come across a many situations where we need to multiplication of decimals. Suppose that I have to purchase 2.75 kg of potatoes at the rate of rupees 7.50 per kg. How much money has to pay? Money will be 2.75 multiply 7.50. So we need to know about the multiplication of decimals. It means we need to know about the multiplication of decimals. Here we shall learn about multiplication of decimals by multiples of 10, means by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 etc. Here consider a number 27.05 multiply 10. At first we shall multiply it without decimal, that is equal to 27050. Now we shall pay attention. Here these decimals have two decimal places, so we shall put the decimal point from the right side after two digits. So here we shall put the decimal after 5. 1, 2 after decimal, after 5 we shall put the decimal. It means when we have to multiply any numbers by 10, any decimal number by 10, then we shall multiply it without decimals, and here are the two decimal places, so we shall put the decimal point from the right side after two digits. So here decimal, here that is equal to 270.5. There is no need to put there is no need to write 0 after the decimal, so we shall write only 270.5. Now one method also we can say that when we shall multiply by 10, means here are 1 0, so we shall replace the decimal point to the right side 1 places. So here the decimal point will be from here to here. So here we shall write 270.5. So we can say that shifting the decimal point by 1 places to the right when we have to multiply any decimal numbers by 10. Now second is when we have to multiply decimal numbers 429.7 multiply 100, then we shall write the product of it without decimal, that is equal to 429700. Now here is the one decimal places, so we shall put the decimal point from the right side after one digit, so we shall put decimal here. So here that is equal to 42970. Here we can also say that when we have to multiply any decimal numbers by hundreds, then we shall shifting the decimal point after two digit to the right sides. Decimal replace the decimal two digit to the right side when we have to multiply 100. So we can say that here shifting the decimal point by two places to the right. So here we shall write 429.7 multiply 100, that is equal to 42970. Now in the case of multiplication of 1000, 31.09 multiply 1000. At first we shall multiply the numbers, means decimal numbers, by 1000 without decimals, so it is written 3109,000. Now here the decimals have two decimal places, so we shall put the decimal point after two digit from the right side. So here will be the decimal point. So here we shall write 31090. Now you can we can also say that shifting the decimal point by 3 places to the right when we have to multiply 1000, the shifting the decimal point 3 places to the right side. It means here if we have to multiply 567.25 multiply 10,000, then we shall write the multiplication of it without decimals. So that is written here 567250000. Now here two decimal places, so we shall put the decimal point from the right side after 2 digits. So here we shall put the decimal here after 20, so that is equal to 5672500. In the case of 10,000 there are 4 zeros, so we shall replace the decimal point after 4 places to the right side. So here we shall write here shifting the decimal point by 4 places to the right when we have to multiply 10,000. Students, in the here we shall learn about the multiplication of multiples of 10, means any decimal numbers multiply by 10, the decimal point will go right side 1 places right side. When we have to multiply by 100, then the decimal points will go 2 places to the right. When we have to multiply any decimal numbers by 1000, the decimal point will go 3 places to the right. When we have to multiply 10,000, the decimal points will go 4 places to the right. And on the basis of it, there are some homeworks. First question is find the value of, first question, 3.45 multiply 10. Second question, 0.25 multiply by 10,000. Third question is 1000 multiply 5.29. Fourth question is 10,000 multiply 0.01. Students, I hope that all of you are able to understand how can you multiply the decimals numbers by the multiples of 10, means 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, etc. And on the basis of it, there are some homeworks. I hope that all of you are able to solve the question that is written in the homeworks. Thanks. Okay.